Nice breeze, eh? Boom! Drop shot, Katie!
I told you, one of us apparently has to play front for these 4-inch shots.
Oh, really? How is that my fault?
Oh, thank you, Jim. I was out of it there.
Whoa!
Can you get it?
Whoa!
Hey,
Oh, Dad's dead! Dad's dead!
That's your weakness.
Yeah, his head.
Okay. Oh, Timothy.
Hey, you're pretty good, Sue.
She likes tennis.
Somebody's got to get them because apparently Jim's standing up there just...
He's the eye candy.
Yeah.
The
Okay,
See where she
Carly,
gets
let's
the word on.